Everyone, Dr. Mandell here. If you're watching this, you probably have noticed a little more scalp showing than you used to, or maybe your hair just isn't as thick and full as it once was. And let me tell you, you're not alone. Thinning hair is something many men face as they get older, especially after 50, and it can be really frustrating. But the good news are ways to naturally slow down hair loss and even help your hair grow back stronger than before. And today I'm going to share a simple trick that can make a real difference. Now, before we dive in, I want you to understand why this happens in the first place. After 50, our bodies start to go through changes that affect more than just hair. Testosterone levels change, circulation slows down a bit, even the way our body processes nutrients shifts. All of these factors can contribute to thinning hair. It's not just cosmetic, it's a reflection of your overall health. That's why taking care of your body from the inside out is so important. One of the biggest challenges men face is that, as we age, our scalp and hair follicles don't get as much blood flow and nutrients as they used to. Think of your hair as a tree. If the roots aren't getting enough water and nutrients, the branches and leaves won't thrive. The same goes for hair follicles. This is why simply applying creams or oils may help a little. They're not enough on their own. Real results come when you address the root causes. Another important factor is timing. Believe it or not, when you do certain things can affect your hair's health. For example, your body goes through natural repair cycles during sleep, especially in the deep sleep stages. That means nourishing your hair at night with the right foods or supplements can be more effective than doing it at other times. Also, keeping a consistent routine is key. Your body responds to habits over weeks and months, not days. So if you're expecting an overnight miracle, that's not realistic, but steady, simple changes can lead to dramatic improvements over time. Lifestyle also plays a huge role. Stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, and sedentary habits all take a toll on your hair. You might be surprised at how much a simple morning walk or adding a few key nutrients to your diet can improve the thickness and strength of your hair. And it's not about doing complicated regimens, it's about small, consistent habits that support your body's natural ability to regenerate hair. Now, I know it can be discouraging to look in the mirror and see thinning hair. But here's the thing, your hair can respond positively even after years of thinning if you give it the right environment to grow. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today, a natural, simple trick that supports your hair's growth cycle and helps you reverse thinning gradually and safely. Before I reveal the trick, I want you to take a moment to consider your current routine. Are you giving your hair the nutrients, timing, and lifestyle support it needs? If not, don't worry, that's what we're here to fix. Alright, now let's get into the heart of it. Simple natural trick that can really help reverse thinning hair. It's something so straightforward, yet most people overlook it, and it's incredibly effective when done consistently. The trick involves using a combination of a specific nutrient-rich ingredient along with timing it properly to support your hair follicles. This ingredient is packed with compounds that feed the hair directly and strengthen the scalp from within. When incorporated into your routine, it helps improve circulation to your scalp, reinforces weakened follicles, even stimulate dormant ones. Essentially, it's like giving your hair a wake-up call to start growing thicker and stronger again. Here's how it works. As we age, our hair follicles tend to shrink, making hair finer and weaker. This nutrient acts almost like a natural stimulant, enhancing blood flow and delivering the vitamins and minerals your follicles need. Over time, this encourages follicles to produce healthier hair strands rather than thin, fragile ones. And the best part, it's completely natural, so you won't have to worry about harsh chemicals or side effects. Now, timing is just as important as the ingredient itself. The body's repair and regeneration are most active during sleep, especially in the deep sleep stages. That's why using this nutrient in the evening or before bed maximizes its effectiveness. It works with your body's natural cycles, giving your follicles the best chance to regenerate, as providing nourishment exactly when your hair needs it most. But here's the key: consistency. You can't do this once and expect instant results. Hair growth takes time, especially after 50. Most people notice a difference after a few weeks, with more visible results over 2-3 months. The good news is that this process also improves the overall health of your scalp, so even if hair growth is gradual, your scalp becomes a stronger foundation for thicker hair. You might be wondering, do I need to combine this with other products? Honestly, for most seniors, starting with this simple method is enough. You don't need expensive serums or complicated routines. Just make it part of your evening habit, pair it with proper sleep and hydration, and you'll start to see your hair responding naturally. Style still plays a big role. Eating nutrient-dense foods, staying hydrated, and keeping stress under control all amplify the effects of this natural trick. So it's not just about applying or consuming this ingredient, creating the right environment for your hair to thrive. And the best part is these changes benefit your overall health, not just your hair. In the next part, I'll walk you through the step-by-step routine, including exactly how to use this ingredient, how often, and some bonus tips that make the process even more effective for seniors. We'll also touch on a few common mistakes people make that slow down progress so you can avoid them entirely. Now that you know the natural trick, let's make it practical. I want you to be able to start today and see real results over time. This isn't about complicated steps or expensive products. It's about simple, consistent actions that work with your body's natural rhythm. First, timing. Like I mentioned earlier, the body does a lot of repair work while you sleep. That means the ideal time to use this nutrient or ingredient is in the evening, about 30 to 60 minutes before you go to bed. This gives your body a chance to process it during the deep sleep cycle, delivering nutrients directly to your hair follicles. It's really that simple, but the consistency is key. Make it part of your nightly routine, brushing your teeth or washing your face. Next, let's talk about how often. For most seniors, applying or consuming this ingredient once per day in the evening is enough. Your follicles need time to respond. Overloading them won't speed up the process. It may even stress your system. Think of it as giving your hair just the right amount of nourishment each night. Over weeks, you'll notice the strands getting stronger, scalp feeling healthier, and new hair starting to appear in areas that were thinning. Hydration is another essential factor. Hair needs water just like your body does. If you're not drinking enough fluids throughout the day, your follicles won't get the hydration they need. Aim for at least 6-8 glasses of water, spread out evenly. Staying hydrated improves circulation, which means more nutrients reach your scalp efficiently. Lifestyle adjustments are just as important. Simple things like going for a short morning walk, stretching, or doing light exercise can improve blood flow to the scalp. Blood circulation is crucial because it carries oxygen and nutrients to the follicles, giving them the energy they need to produce thicker hair. You don't need a gym membership. Just 20-30 minutes of movement daily makes a big difference. Nutrition plays a big role too. Include foods rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals in your diet. Eggs, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fish are excellent choices. Provide the building blocks your hair needs to grow. Pairing the natural trick with a balanced diet accelerates results and improves overall scalp health. Now, here's a tip that often gets overlooked at scalp care. Gentle massage of the scalp for 5 minutes a day stimulates circulation and relaxes the follicles. It's a simple step that feels great and supports the growth process. You can do this while watching TV, listening to music, or even just thinking quietly. It doesn't have to be complicated. Lastly, patience is essential. Hair growth is gradual, especially after 50. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate changes. The follicles are waking up, strengthening, and preparing to produce healthier hair. Stick to the routine, combine it with hydration, proper nutrition, and light activity, and over a few months, you'll notice the transformation. In the next part, I'll cover some bonus strategies that enhance results even further, common mistakes to avoid, how to make this a lifelong habit so your hair continues to stay healthy and thick. Now that you're following the basic routine, let's talk about a few bonus strategies that can really enhance the results. These are small adjustments, but they can make a noticeable difference over time. First, consider incorporating gentle scalp stimulation. Beyond a quick 5-minute massage, you can use a soft, bristled brush or even just your fingertips to lightly stimulate circulation. Doing this a few times per week encourages blood flow to areas that are thinning, helping follicles wake up and strengthen. Think of it as giving your hair a little exercise to keep it active and healthy. Another effective strategy is supporting your body with antioxidants. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries, green tea, dark leafy greens help protect your follicles from oxidative stress. Over time, stress and environmental factors can damage hair follicles, making them weaker. Antioxidants act like a shield, preserving your hair's health and making the natural trick we talked about even more effective. Sleep quality also plays a critical role. Even if you're following the routine perfectly, poor sleep can slow down progress. Try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule and create an environment conducive to deep rest, dim lights, quiet space, and a comfortable pillow. The better your sleep, the more your body can repair and nourish your hair follicles naturally. Now let's touch on some common mistakes that many seniors make. First, expecting results too quickly. Hair growth is a slow process. Impatience can lead people to give up before they see real changes. Remember, this is about consistent care over weeks and months, not days. Second, overusing products or switching routines too often. Sometimes people think using multiple shampoos, oils, or supplements will speed things up. In reality, overloading your scalp can irritate follicles and even counteract progress. Stick to your chosen routine. Let your body respond naturally. Third, neglecting nutrition and hydration. No matter how effective the natural trick is, your hair cannot grow without the proper building blocks from food and fluids. Meals or drinking too little water can significantly reduce results. Focus on a balanced diet with plenty of protein, healthy fats, and vitamins like B, and E, all of which support hair growth. Finally, stress management is often overlooked. Chronic stress releases hormones that can contribute to hair thinning. Incorporate simple stress relief practices into your day, breathing exercises, short walks, or even a few minutes of meditation. Reducing stress not only improves hair health but also enhances your overall well-being. When you combine the natural trick, proper timing, nutrition, hydration, sleep, gentle scalp care, you're creating an environment where your hair can thrive. Over time, you'll notice thicker, stronger strands and a healthier scalp. This approach isn't just about reversing thinning, it's about supporting your body's natural processes so your hair stays healthy well into the future. In the final part, I'll share a summary of the full routine, a few extra tips to maximize results, how to maintain your hair once it's thicker and stronger so the changes are long, lasting, and natural. Alright, we've covered a lot so far, so let's bring everything together and make it simple to follow. Remember, this isn't about complicated treatments or expensive products, it's about small, consistent steps that support your body's natural ability to grow healthy hair even after 50. First, recap the key routine. Use the natural nutrient-rich ingredient every evening before bed, giving your follicles the nourishment they need during your body's deep sleep phase. Pair this with gentle scalp massage or stimulation, stay hydrated, a nutrient-rich diet, and incorporate light daily activity. These steps work together to strengthen follicles, improve circulation, and gradually restore hair thickness. Second, maintain consistency. Hair growth is gradual and results are best seen over a few months. It's normal not to see major changes immediately. The key is sticking to the routine, even on days when you feel busy or tired. It's part of your nightly ritual, like brushing your teeth or preparing for bed. Consistency compounds over time and yields real, visible results. Third, protect and support your scalp. Keep it clean, avoid harsh chemicals or excessive heat, and make sure your pillowcases are gentle on your hair. Small details like this prevent breakage and allow the follicles to function optimally. Fourth, manage your lifestyle. Prioritize good sleep, manage stress, and continue light physical activity. These factors may seem separate from hair, but they're actually critical. Your hair reflects your overall health, so the better you feel, your hair responds. Finally, patience and mindset. Hair growth is a process, not a quick fix. Celebrate small wins, maybe your hair feels thicker, or you notice less shedding. These are signs that your follicles are waking up and responding. Trust the process, stay consistent, and give your hair the time it needs to fully regenerate. Remember, natural trick we discussed is not just a temporary solution, it's a way to support your hair for the long term. When combined with proper timing, nutrition, hydration, and lifestyle habits, significantly reverse thinning and help you regain healthier, stronger hair naturally. So here's my challenge for you: start tonight. Incorporate the trick into your routine, follow the steps we discussed, commit to it consistently for the next few months. Track your progress, stay patient, and you'll see that with dedication, your hair can look fuller and healthier again. Thank you for watching and trusting me to guide you through this. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who might benefit. And remember, your hair's health is a reflection of your overall well-being. Take care of yourself, and your hair will follow.